Arrive in style with this 2005 Toyota Sienna XLE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include power windows, rear air conditioning, tachometer, power sliding door, rear stereo controls, power liftgate, and power mirrors. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.